Hello, Díomh, agus fáilte go head Gael, lumsa Síomha,
Lumsa Louise.
Agus lumsa therein.
Seo an céadúir don seoirgain a céile eáil if
Yeah, so exciting.
Feckin' mighty.
Yes.
Fab.
Yeah.
Good to be
So
back.
breathnú go hauling. I thank you as well for being so considerate and covering up the majority of your skin because you
know.
couldn't bear to look at that tan.
I was going to wear a bikini, but I was like, they're going to probably curse me.
No, honestly, tá sibh cosúla rá cinenne agsúil. Like, tá tú cho lovely and bronze agus tá tú sa an bháin. Tá mé se an bháin cho
Sorry.
má, seriously.
Also, thought tanner.
Are you wearing tan?
You bitch.
Oh, I've no tan at all on.
I've a light smothering of
Well, girl.
a little bit
you
of
need-
something.
You need to get a
I
new
know.
tan.
Well, yeah, no, I was very thoughtful now. Also, bríste gaine agus a long sleeve top of coffee.
Fair
Yeah,
play.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Come here and Rev. Time unreal.
Really V, like me omláin, níl mé rihhééis bheith ospáile co-áda sin, nó co-fáda sin ospáile riomh a
Yes.
héil. So like bhí sé class, like hána mé bháile, tá mé sé bháile like a cúpla lá, agus an lá go landálamar, like it was luga galore sa lá, so cumarmach bhí sé really green verse sparagur and cumarmach agsúil former coffee, and I was like, listen to the children laughing, that's a cute dog, ha ha ha, like high on life.
Yeah.
You know, like the
Yeah.
endorphins just over your life, make
Yeah.
go humlán mahuafness.
Oh my God.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. Shin go hauling.
Yeah.
And I wanted to comment actually, Téann Síomha pics around us you need to go actually faker Insta Shiva because some of them are divine, but there was one where you were so
Plenty
and you're
more
like
still to come.
Moana. It was very like you've like a hair grip in your hair
Yes.
and you're looking over a balcony and I was like, oh, she's an island gal.
Yeah.
I was an island gal, but like
were.
near Kermit Tassim McGruger Famisa, I didn't bring
Wow.
any makeup, so I was. Yeah, I
You
was.
didn't have any makeup or fucking me or fun?
No.
Unreal.
Literally Moana.
The
Wow.
dream.
I know. And Carl was the Rock. Someone actually came up to him and was like, "You have hair like the Rock." In Vietnam. Yeah.
That's hilarious.
God.
But yeah, so Wollongong Gomorrah.
So Asa de.
Oh, I'd say de. Like
So are you travel girly now? Because you've always said you're not really into travel.
go humlan. Like,
Oh my
I
God.
got bitten by the bug.
You're
I
in
was
your
like,
travel era.
now I see why people love it.
Yeah.
Love it.
Yeah,
Well, girl.
yeah, I don't know.
Yeah.
I just
But
don't
there's
think-
nothing like it.
No, it's
No.
the fucking best.
It
It
is.
is the best.
It's
I'm actually
converted.
really
Yeah.
glad for you now.
I
That's
know.
that's great.
I know.
Yeah.
I don't know. I just don't think when my Haitian Eritrean like blusha all the
Yeah.
like culture really agsúil Hannah.
Yeah,
You know, like
yeah.
I've only ever been to like
100%. And I
Okay.
actually think as well, you need a good long holiday like that to really
Agree.
feel it. You need to go Harlar Fagmi and O'Neill Small no shin, you know, to get a good kind of you just put yourself into it, don't you?
Yeah, immerse yourself. Like,
Immerse
you know, you
yourself.
wouldn't really get it if you were only there for a
Yeah.
shock than like,
Yeah.
you know.
I agree.
Yeah.
Yeah, Tanadini co fucking das
Yeah.
Oh, the land of smiles, Glacier
Yeah.
Air, like it's the
And pad thais.
I had a pad thai every single day I was
Did
there, and I did a
you?
cooking class and I learned how to make them.
Oh, we'll be
So,
over. We'll be
yeah,
on.
I'll be force feeding it down your gullet.
Like
Like,
the
no
whole.
choice. Yeah,
Oh, like
yeah.
the
Like we
whole.
all wine that we had 3 pad thais.
Oh,
Okay,
See,
love
perfect.
that.
I know,
Unreal.
obsessed.
because it's always on the like beichlor for the breakfast there.
Yeah,
And to be honest, lads, let's normalise noodles for breakfast. I'm all for the pad thai.
like
Imagine.
it's so in for Fifa
It's
Cougars noodles
so
for breakfast.
yeah.
No, chuckle shouldn't get on because we are going to do that anyway. But yeah, so we had this thing, Tras and Shin, we were like no Western food. We were like no pasta, no pizza, no burgers. Like we don't want to do that. We want to eat like
Yeah.
the locals. So we're never
Authentic
Shin.
girl.
But like also vegetarian.
Yeah, but they do everything vegetarian.
Okay.
Gawcra Via and Mearclore, they'd be like, yeah, if it's in
Vegetarian.
the Thai food section or the Vietnamese food section, we can make a vegetarian.
Deadly.
Dream.
Yeah,
I
she
know,
really
yeah.
On
come
Rev, Deli Belly. I guess.
No new warmer tea or a wine. I don't know, we're
Wow.
just really lucky, or as a Mara
Yeah.
not round where get fiol, but yeah, it was
Oh,
God,
class.
who
yes,
are
I do.
you? Look at this.
Girl,
Mm.
tell you the island gal herself.
Here we
I know,
go.
just a student grafadum kind of a meown shot of quinalt, because you know sometimes you're like
Yeah.
a rash of shock, a
I
cursaí and
know.
like, so I'm gonna try and I don't
Easy
know, like
step into it.
I'm gonna find a Thai massage place, Congrach them, I don't know, and like
Love this for you. Love it for you. Fair play.
Sorry, the massages as well. The fact you can that's something elite about Thailand actually. You can pull in on the side of the road and be like, rub my foot now.
yeah, and there's
And I'll
I
pay for it.
love a foot massage, but
Oh,
like
There you go.
probably
My
like
dream.
it was like Carday Euro or fa massage or a click.
Stunning.
Any happy endings?
No, but I might say this for the Patreon. There's a few gas stories.
Okay,
no,
save
not
it
the
on
Patreon. I was
Patreon,
on the
save
Patreon.
it on
There's
Patreon.
no happy endings, but there was a few close calls.
Okay.
Ooh.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
It's
catch,
you know.
catch us over on the Patreon.
bit of
The
jeopardy.
love and stuff
Bit of jeopardy.
X-rated
I'll
and
be
shit.
there.
Yeah.
On a bat.
But look, Fifa Cuig, Nearty Torlium Stunium Lena.
Yes.
Tá. Tá míid ggéiráil suas trí seachtain go dtí go mé America, Tá mis dúach a nó an plain, hána mis ar National America ar madan agus tá míid dar nulbhú hénig le tuairt féin spéir
I know.
ríis.
They're
Pitbull is
actually-
shaking in his boots like Mrs. Worldwide over here.
I'm telling you.
You
fucking-
are like jetting over to Boston for the weekend. I'm
I
like
know.
3 o'clock on Toronto has it sussed. Has
No,
it
they're
sussed.
Elaine Chorin.
No, Neil Jordan, yeah,
Gone
yeah,
Toronto.
yeah.
Yes, they're gone Chorin.
Toronto, we need to
There
change
you go.
that. But no, sé ráte go agat an tros ag tacht gan bhfuil lads agus cúpla ticket fóca ag an buinte seo I think go with sábháilte le rá go bhfuil limnach tuiltte amach.
Yeah,
It's our gate
exciting.
start so
You've been
míle mag of
dying to say that.
Thank you. I've been dying. Thank you. Limerick lovers, we can't wait to see. Did I just kiss them? I did. I'll do it
Yeah, you
again.
did it again.
Second one for free.
I've started doing that at the end of my Instagram stories. I'm like, why am I kissing?
I know.
Did I get it off you?
Well, I don't know, but it gives me the ick. But anyway, if you would like to join us or to get some of the last few remaining tickets for gigs that are available, I know go will ticket fósir fall email Ferrishta if you'd like to join us in Belfast.
Yes.
Also in Lochlia, obviously that's a really big Dublin date in me Vort. This is a bit of time there.
And Carrie Day. Yeah.
It's Carrie Day, exactly 14th of March. If you want to join us, get your ticket for Dublin now. August. Aragla will to Gaisteach to Vancouver. There are still tickets available in Vancouver and Boston as well.
Yeah, very excited. Yeah, New York is more or less sold out now as well.
Yeah.
Very excited.
Clara Beach. Actually, gals, do you know what? McGriffar Orina, who is Howlin' New Arak, has booked us a Valentine's brunch in the Ritz.
No, I'm so excited.
She's so
I can't.
cute.
I'm actually so this is amazing now where they can
Yeah.
live us. We're going to be so sickening that they know we
will
stop
be.
talking about it.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
we're going to have
it's
the
upper.
best time.
It's upper,
It's
you know?
I know. I can't wait for the actual
Also, a
planning.
little bit of incentive if you're not already with us on Patreon.
Yeah.
Come over now because you'll have our close friendsies for the
Oh, yes,
For the
for the
tourists.
trust.
Oh,
yeah,
God.
yeah. What did you see myself and Louise's pub crawler Patreon?
No, near H me leis go fáil now
Get
Brown.
her off.
Save it.
Really?
Yeah. So, well, it was just we
And
were
I'm-
like, listen, 2 birds, 1 stone. It was just
So
nice chaotic.
rinne sibh agus sibh like
Aaron pub
Yeah.
crawlers,
Oh,
so we
for
stationed
God's
from area to area.
Stations
As
Yeah.
we
off
went.
the
Stations of
Station
the
of the
pub.
Cross.
Yeah.
Station of the Fenian Cross, yeah.
So there you go.
But
Okay,
there's loads
hey,
of
show me
action there on
your
Patreon.
Yeah, there's loads of action on Patreon and obviously loads of action. Shaoire on our fucking YouTube. They're mad for us on our YouTube. There's some very, very odd people commenting on our YouTube. We just deleted all the comments. So note go meet glare and jeans and it.
yeah.
Yeah.
But Tommy to make a full video. Tommy doing a hard on our fad and tune in, rate, subscribe, all that kind of carry on. It helps us all, doesn't it?
Yes.
Yeah.
So basically, it's Kinshrock there. She'll feel like her.
Yes.
Have reached again.
This is it.
Go.
Free the fucking legs again, girls.
Ah, we've
I
the
tell you,
ankles out.
we're
That's
gonna
enough.
need-
Give them an L.
We're gonna need a big supply of tights for going to America anyway. That's for sure.
Any tight companies?
Yes,
so
anybody. Yeah.
We're open for
Near
SpawnCon.
15 to 20.
Yes,
Tanier?
yes,
Okay.
yeah.
10 to 15. 10 to 15.
Oh,
come
10
on.
to 15. Okay,
Yeah.
you've lowered it. All right.
Alright.
Okay, this is new. Okay, it's féile rá in manish. Céim Denier is farlev, mar Tomwood nish con leirt fui.
Yay.
I know it's Dara v Anner, but Sean Cade or Dúna ve rash Kayla. Tomwood con leirt fui. Céirtá stock, agus céirtá amach. The fe cuig. So, and there's no one le stock no mock.
Let's go with a stach, will we?
Okay, yeah.
Okay, by my jar for gegen thús.
Yeah.
Okay, it's stock, dumsa, okay, count, harmonizing.
Harmonising.
Harmonising. It gets a bad rep, Mohim. Like the thing you're going like, oh, you harmonise. No, I'm going to go with 3rd above or 6 below at all times, Amlina.
Yes.
Don't
love this.
fucking
Okay,
stop me.
Yes.
I
go on,
think that
girl.
this is a bit discriminatory against people who can't sing.
She doesn't know what a 3rd above is.
Yeah, I don't.
I
And
know.
like, sorry, what about the ones who are just out there trying to sing in tune?
No, that's just Shingo Bra.
Good for you, like, with your harmonies.
Yeah, but no,
Should
girl,
I
I'm a bit
harmonise to
jealous.
you?
Yeah, girl, you
Okay,
take the
harmonise
melody.
me right now.
You take the melody. Okay, go on.
Okay, it's only Meander, so we have a full year to work on
Yeah,
that.
so
which
hot,
is
yeah.
good
Yeah,
news.
rub your clock the top
Yeah,
stall,
rub your
like.
clock though. We have a full year. Okay. Louise.
Oh, okay. What's in? Egdal Ekola Galua. I have fully
one.
started getting into my bed. I'm tried and tested, and I love it. I have an hour then, Salaba, to do with what I please. Okay, I can either
Jesus
go
Christ.
and watch what they can hear on television. I can scroll on my phone, but I can lahortration they lads. It's lights out. Like we're Egdal Ekola Eglahoration they. Okay, getting this circadian rhythm, and I want to start waking up naturally without an alarm. So I've been doing it now. How many days are we into January? A good few anyway. I've been doing it agus and I'm kind of around 6 o'clock or modern, 6 o'clock or modern. I'm awake, and when I wake up I get up and I go to the gym.
Smash.
Wow.
I
It's
co-
so smashed.
Yeah.
I'm loving it for myself.
I
play.
co-sign that. Absolutely,
Okay.
Kate Van Gate to me
It's
last.
stunning.
Yeah.
Endorsed. Consider yourself
Yeah.
endorsed.
Yes,
Right,
yeah.
oh,
Okay, Darren.
Cash. Tá mé géirí cash úsáid seachas bheith tapáil an timer fád tá bhadní smó smacht gom ar mo chud airgid. Not everything is fucking monitored in timer fád. Means I can give people tips on how to do fád na ingna chud dinter, fád taxis or whatever. And also it's just exorbitant charges a Gordina in the Corty and the sum ups. They're fucking daylight robbery.
Love it.
Yeah.
Yeah, to make explain of shin, but like on me on dinner talking dullig an ATM agus arrogant of winter mock
I
in
know.
the shop.
I
They're like,
know.
I know.
but
Fresh and disclaimer on Colleen Kiena was on the Fenian pub crawl without a cent, without a bob turning.
I know, but it's a process, right? It's a process.
No,
I was like,
but
go well and arrogant.
I also endorse that. Okay, Louise, ever though, Cairtá stock.
Cadella Toshtak. Oh God, I only had on Keanwan again. Okay, I'm gonna say also sorry to be that person on the health buzz, but lads dol egg on gym galore madam.
I know,
God,
I
we know it's me, Anna Louise.
I know it is agus gov maleshkel, but I'm loving, lads. I'm loving having the sauna, the gym, dente, and it's like a hook the clog, and I'm coming home and having my breakfast. It's Galer dente. You've your tron known as there. I'm doing this thing. Sorry again, a reach to be on a Colleen show, but I'm doing 75 very soft.
Oh
okay?
yeah.
Okay, on a vote.
Yeah, shot the good book.
On a vulgar fan, where I'm just like, I have to stay accountable for 75 days to do some form of movement every day. And the movement, it could be a shoe load, it could be like ag dul cook and so on, a little bit of active recovery, rud agant.
Okay.
And I'm loving it.
Okay. Fair play. To me, I reached.
Yeah.
Co-signed.
And I'm ignoring
Ain't that a tall shock, did you?
Yes. A glana sus amig. Just seriously, I'm making a really big effort now to clean as I go, and you know, it's a process. But you know, so far so good.
Okay,
It's been
fair
day
play.
19. We're
Fab.
going good.
Okay, tá go book rá go bhí níos dúiltíis.
Okay.
Ceir amach the fifa cuig.
Go.
Yeah, okay, rock me sure this. Posa. I'm
Dare I
done.
co-sign this?
I'm done. Like
I
both
know.
me and now I'm kind of over it.
Yeah,
I'm
okay.
over it.
But
Like,
are you going to
co-sign.
stay married?
yeah, for the time being, like for the
Yeah,
foreseeable.
yeah.
The fifa cuig get
She's a
relied.
mortgage
Yeah.
anyway. She's a 35 year mortgage. She's
But
in it for that long.
Just the Cooper would fecum Ladani and thingy like I'm a wife. I'm like it's yeah like I'm kind of like it's Calor like parentation but ní read pie bliain.
Yeah.
So like I'm like the fifa cuig. Let's hide the rings. Let's
yeah, no, I
Girl, it's
agree.
under wraps, like,
It's
you know?
really ocular Viandina, like, you know, having a great wife day or whatever. I
Oh.
don't know. It's weird.
Oh no, yeah, when they say I've been such a good wife, I've all the cleaning.
Yeah,
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
you know what I recommend for you? Honestly, leave him. It's the best to get married and move out. Give yourself an independence. Get a little apartment.
Okay.
This,
Welcome
feminism at a new level.
Go
you
Lash
know?
Gael.
Okay.
A little bit of nav.
Nav's blockers.
Yeah.
Okay. So get a love nest.
Come in.
Yeah,
leave
yeah.
for a
Okay.
night.
I
Yeah.
love
Okay.
that.
Okay.
That would work wonders for
lacking
you.
A woman cave. Okay,
Yeah,
so we know if we should.
mortgage, you
Oh,
need
No,
woman
sorry.
cave.
Also, I had the best honeymoon. This is not an announcement.
yeah.
But I'm just saying, have Kelora on the
The patriarchy, like, I
Yeah,
mean,
kind of,
Yeah, I
like-
mean, ní really systemation, you know, a hug and gesture of not, you know, if Marin Size version is far of Hain. So
It's also not a sign of superiority if you've gotten married. Like you're not better than other people. You haven't achieved something that other people can't achieve. You know, like I said, it's not an accolade. It's just
You've achieved the hashtag wifey status.
wifey.
Like, sorry, lads.
you look nice and white, basically. Like, do you know what I mean? Like,
Yeah.
anyway, okay, enough of that. Ceir amach this year.
Okay, mach domsa is féin chaint dúilteach. I need to nip it in the bud every time I hear it. I'm a terror of being like, oh, fuck's sake, Louise, why did you do that? I need to stop saying things like
Okay.
that. I'm a great woman to self-deprecate, but I'm going to stop doing it gominic because it's not good for you, and it's a real Irish thing. I think sometimes we can so negatively talk to ourselves,
And
I
Fader
want
Linda
to stop it.
to stoppa.
You can absolutely, yeah. People around me, fine. You can. Oh no, can you talk? Can you stop me?
Can we talk negatively about you? Can we stop you speaking
Yeah.
out? Okay, can we have a safe word?
Yeah, lever dull. Do, and I've said it to for in Tom Relation Radio because they're always like, Louise, you need to stop being like, you know. I think we do that as you know what we're shite at as well. We'd be like, oh God, no, I look dreadful today. Or no, I look awful. I know I only stay to me today. All of that needs to stop.
Yeah.
And I want to be just Niels
Yes.
Darcy.
Okay.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
Come on.
So féin chaint dúilteach basket brisker.
Okay, slán that.
Yes.
Darren.
Josh, chronic people pleasing Orintha. I feel like Orintha being my really like I don't want to voice how I feel about Rodagan because I make your gigapig Dina that I'm like causing a fuss or whatever, and then it just boils up inside me, and then I get really annoyed about something that really could have been very avoidable.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Special.
yeah,
'Cause
I
would have thought that was a mock for you whenever you come up.
I know. Yeah, no, I've noticed.
Do you
Definitely.
mean more like nipping in the bud though?
nipping in the bud? That's
Nipping
what I
in the
mean.
bud is
so
what you
I'm
need to do.
fucking chronically afraid of nipping things in the bud.
Because you're a thinker.
Yeah.
Stop
okay,
thinking,
maybe it
start
is.
the nipping.
See, okay, this is Louise recently gave me advice to be like, you just need to nip this in the bud, and I was like, absolutely not. What are you talking about? I could easily just like ignore this and then go away, but then I couldn't ignore it, and then it just
Okay, I'll guess area into a nipple.
no, it exploded.
Oh
So-
Darren.
Okay,
yeah,
so
no,
put ceacht
we'll
feilim ha.
fill you up. Ceacht feilim ha.
Okay.
Ceacht
Okay.
feilim ha.
Okay.
So there you go. So the ceacht is, you know, Louise
Nips the
sometimes
body.
gives really good advice. There you go.
There we
Yeah,
go.
but lads,
Okay,
I
Louise
think
advice
though,
in.
I actually do think, though, I say this to you all the time, if there is a big conflict going
you're
on
so
anywhere,
right.
just deal with it there and then. Don't mind
know.
this sleeping on and your grudges and all this cracks.
I'm just so
now, deal with it in it.
conflict averse. Like
I know.
I
hate confrontation.
Yeah.
I'm the
Oh,
same
I
type
don't
of-
love it, but I just want to be over it.
No, thank you. Good.
But you know,
Nip
so
it.
see, because a lot of the time, if you actually ignore conflict, it goes away by itself.
Yeah.
So you can just be like, if I just ignore this for like a week, it's not going to be an issue anymore, and everybody like I'll have forgotten about it.
Yeah.
So that's I usually am like, I'll just wait it
That's
out.
your tactic.
But no, not
Okay.
not anymore. Not in 2025.
Okay.
Advocate for yourself.
Oh, love
I like it.
Yeah.
Okay,
Maher.
a amach bháin eile agamsa scallop Thames. I got an ad on Instagram for a dress with scallop Thames. I was like, that is definitely amach the film.
Are you serious? I actually have recently acquired a scalloped hem jumper.
No.
So I won't be wearing it around you. Anyway.
Really can't make a milk with her father 8
Yeah,
inches.
I
I
know.
can't believe this is
I
until
want to nip.
Cunts
You know what?
Bojo.
I want to nip this in the bud, right?
Nip
Early
it.
on. Okay,
They're
nip
in
this
for
in the
you.
bud. They're in for me.
Okay, that's
Okay,
fine.
wow.
I don't know if I've anything else I'm
That's
putting
good,
out.
bra.
Yeah,
Um,
we're good.
I think we'll list the Quimsha hook
Yeah,
on
the
the
shit bra,
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah, and look, ní gádún ar fád a bheith ar an aon
No.
intin fuhu.
No.
Okay.
Do you know what? That's it. Exactly.
Fab.
Okay. Book up a rag. Good time in a shock to know.
Woo.
Okay, so Tigam goes to show extremely rich. Ag talked o gonna egin atá Dirk Rash o V Sira. But I'm basically gonna mansplain to you or fodder you how to relax.
No.
Hey.
Great. I love
That's
this. I
your-
need this.
Yeah.
No, few like Rivishin, like actually Dragger, they were in Mayor Instagram or Mishkale. They was actually close friends. I had a picture in here to Deem Salabig, brand new or one of my housewives shows, and she was like, amazing. You were honestly like professor of relaxation. You were
Yeah,
like,
relaxer extraordinaire.
yeah,
Absolutely.
I
you
don't
are.
really understand. I didn't really understand your take or shit.
I just couldn't get over. I don't know. I just would rarely now, whatever the time of the day is or whatever, I would just always be like, I should be doing something. I should be doing something. I should be doing something. Even if it's like, I don't know. I would just never allow myself the time to sit down and just relax and watch TV.
Okay, hopefully.
That is wild,
yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, I
Hopefully
know.
you wouldn't
get an
take for the
episode
bed
show.
like for an
Yeah.
hour.
No, hopefully you get an
Yeah.
episode show go my bheann ahratha.
Yeah.
I just firmly, strongly believe that you cannot pour from an empty cup.
You're dead
And
right.
my cup cannot be full without a little bit of telly time.
Yeah.
It just can't. Like,
Yeah.
I don't understand how people go a day without watching TV. It's
Yeah.
wild to me. Ní rud they can see the shit. And like Tigum, like when you're relaxing, that can be, like saineolaí or blowing off steam or, a den of ruddy. But like I firmly believe a duvet day needs, like it's a need.
Yeah.
An ish sarish. Better ní gach a lot, but an ish sarish. So first of all, I'm going to psychoanalyze or diagnose and vertigo. Okay, Dr. Shiva and you. Sorry,
Love
there
it.
nearly
Okay.
doesn't take Dr. Shomer.
Woo.
Mar I think Colin vertigo actually got Hanish on
Yeah,
relaxation.
yeah.
hook.
Yeah.
I think you are.
Yeah, no, honestly, I've been having a chat with myself a couple of shafts and being like, I'm honestly, if I don't fucking stop, I'm going to be on the verge of like a breakdown or
Yeah.
something. I'm just way too much.
Yeah.
And níl no have like cursaí ibrogs with mar sin, but
Yeah.
I think go socialta, that's an art.
Yes.
Like you never kind of miss an opportunity le dulamach, whereas it might have done you better le see she is in lab agus brand new in telefish,
Yeah.
It, like I don't know, is it FOMO nu céin or out?
Yeah.
But like you're like it's actually co-impressive on fun if it's agus, but
No, 100% burning the candle at two ends, and it's just like níl and Gaelish. Even like we had that totally unnecessary night out, and then like Irihe like a muggedy dochlog or madden Irihe a hochtgur canoe or madden, and then like to do full day's work, you just feel fucking
Yeah, you
chronic
do.
and shite.
yeah, what
Yeah,
happened to your
this is-
it's a lab like lahratration ní Louise and even
Well, that
sin?
wasn't Téann. But you know, when man Dargion, I went to the gym and actually I went. Remember,
Did you go to the
I had
gym?
yeah, thrown on a shin. I didn't manage my morning session. But for me, this is so interesting. Go to a shin. I actually don't think that sometimes slowing down is what I need to do, but it's more so finding a rhythm, getting into a rhythm, So Tomish agus technic JDV really iirecht like rhythm of going that like if it does mean getting up at 6 a.m. to like hang out together and go to the gym together and that's your date and tachtain, it's actually so worth doing if that will like fill that cup for you. So if that like whatever it is that fills your cup, you need to find your own rhythm to do it.
Yes.
And yeah, everyone's rhythms are different. Like I don't know, it's such a hard one, isn't it, to know? But like,
Yes.
I think relaxing can come in so many different shapes and forms.
Well, sin a rud agus Thomas
Yeah.
chun ada cuid gnéine de sin a phléinniu. So dú some chun smoinmh ar chun leir faoi like Keiko Minic a dhéanaan sibh iver like Keiko Minic go ligan sibh ski. We'll get to how
Yeah.
go lua, but just Keiko Minic mas sibh a ligan sibh ski.
Is the oil am gach
Is it-
seachtain ag buinte éigent anyway.
So ní orsa lo, it's orsa shock then.
Yeah. Well, I suppose slow, like, yeah, Nílas gum. I don't actively think about it as much as I should, probably.
Okay.
But I do think there are times in the day where I'm like, if I don't sit in quietness, believe it or not, Lumvain, I will be crankier version of myself.
Okay.
Do you know what I mean? I think I've realised I really need to be a morning person for my life to be organised. If I am rushing out the door, which as is the case of my life usually, it's for the day, it's a knock-on effect. I actually think if I can nearly relax Armadin, I'm sorted for the day.
Yes.
So I need to do my relaxing rivel number.
You need to do your 5 to 9 before your 9 to 5.
Do you know what? Kind of, actually, a little bit. Like Armadin mar hampla now, I was in the sauna having a little bit of machnamh, Armadin ag leabhar tríocha seacht, and I was like, I am going to be a way nicer person ag an up right now. Because I've thought about V. Yeah. Agus V just got rud níos far because I'd thought about things and I'd,
Yeah. Yeah.
Sometimes you're catching up with yourself like there on lay when you're relaxing, and it might be harder because you've all of the thoughts of the day at the end. I don't know, decompressing. What's the opposite to decompressing?
Compressing.
No. What if you're decompressing from the day? What do we do in the morning before we start our day?
Oh, I
gearing
get
up
you.
or something. Gearing up for the day.
So you start in like a minus. You know, you start like a
Do you know what I mean?
-2 instead of starting
Like
at 0.
I don't need to come down from my sleep, but I don't need to come just up yet. You know what I mean? I need to just
Okay, chuck my and turn me up ceart, but take a rush thought
Okay.
Do you know what I'm wrong?
Yeah, I think so.
Decompressing, but in the morning before I processing.
That's
Sambo.
why we keep you around.
No.
You know?
I'm like one of those old computers. You need to warm me up, Like I need to be warmed up in the morning. I need a while to turn on.
It's called foreplay, Louise.
Yeah, there you go. Bit of foreplay before you start the day.
Let me tell you, when you live in your woman cave alone, the foreplay isn't as fucking exciting. Minus the Fargala.
They're in Keiko Minica Ligan Sus of the Ski Mas too.
Fucking, I have no idea. Honestly, I don't know. Le Danny, like never. I rimish them dul chulla. I like lie in bed and like be messaging people or whatever, and that's kind of my relaxing time.
Phone
of the
time.
Day. Phone time.
And you're great to read a book. Like
I was just gonna say, near time I leave, I suppose that's relaxing. But Nima Trish fell leave Mars Carta ages, and actually I can kind of feel it. I think I'm just in a particularly really busy part in Uber Fular as well, and it's just fucking
yeah.
You know.
Cúilteamh riomh terma stress laxing. So she'll terma nua hana may trust agus made in a tied to the episode show.
Lovely.
So she raw like external pressures such as work, study, family and other commitments can make people feel like they are constantly switched on and are at the beck and call of others. They can then feel obligated to meet the demands of those outside influences, and as such this can lead to a perception that they are not actually allowed to have any downtime or space to relax. They also noted that work time and leisure time no longer have definitive boundaries. Marielle earn a phone pokey.
Yeah.
So like if you
So
want to
true.
do so while you den a fwack, Toggins refus is shock. Toggins run they get shock and Gathuban the leisure time is not leisurely. Aquahor Huggas made kind of like freelancery.
Yeah.
There is no Aquahor ditcha.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah, any shin I can actually feel like armach around, or I can feel my back like tighten, or if you just in scrolling through the apps, and then next thing email has come up and it's like Dech lug see and then like you fell at the colour for ages, you're like fuck, I should have done that yesterday. And do you know Tasha Anna? Yeah, Tasha Jacker. To my really geary
See, this is why you would so benefit from get the phone out of the bed like a laboratory night and just current out and tele and like lads, it's awful the addiction, right? Because I see the light comes on, I'll see a notification come in a laboratory night and like it'll light up the room and I'm like
I know.
like I'm like I
knock her high like bonus John.
I would, but still, do you know you'd still see the solace like, and I'm like you have to train yourself.
Yeah.
Because the urge to want to get it.
FOMO me or cos being a Tarlu or an Idreen and Tam Shin Chama, people are sending out memes and you might miss something gas. It's just fucking ridiculous.
Sending out memes. How many memes a week would you say you look at?
I don't know. Ona Khan always has like funny shit up in Hampton.
Yeah,
you know what I mean? Like
I
want to check in to see.
I know.
You'd be unreliable.
It's like the witching hour. The man who
is.
I say to her Ukkadukas a day.
Yeah.
Luan Gahina, and you don't want to miss out
See,
on all
the
the crap,
question is like once you're in, it's like stay a little longer.
I
And the
know.
next thing it's manly.
I know, but the thing like the thing Bratnú where they can earn telefish, where they can go to Bratnú and they're putting up their opinions and their hot takes. You're like, oh my god, yes, and then tain't she is rabbit hole.
Yeah.
I know.
So I'm actually gearing my screen time a lie do gadi ha or solo. That's Sinead Kiet Spreagtha and then to make gear all she's getting easily not work like.
Okay.
Whoa.
Yeah, if you law one or anything like that I got shocked or like solo.
Girl, ace skill
Horrendous.
like I don't think
Yeah.
it's a shin rope. Yeah, I think
Yeah,
like
but no, it's
Now,
a fucking massive waste.
Corla mook na notifications.
Yeah.
I'll go her Instagram, just mookie.
Yeah.
Like, taint to stock an app co-minute sin rainos, like, you will see them, you're not going to miss something, but just mookie, don't stock wish to talk to Sarah and Skull on
Yeah,
a go.
Sin actually not
in
mine.
Bhúk
Yeah,
mé
yeah,
notifications den a refresh agus mé Harlar Comas and you're my fault ain't no chat WhatsApp. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Actually should have but Instagram fáca múca gum.
Yeah,
Yeah.
You know,
Tingbra.
so
Tingbra.
okay, methods of relaxation. Támuid can talk gotí beidir na móna is cuiitianta an éan tá lista gum, but like díobse cad is ligint ski out. So like le tamla news tá like trocht in a nua hashtag of talk keen. There was like adult colouring books were huge for a while.
Yeah.
Now the bottom has completely falling out of that
yes.
economy apparently.
Wouldn't do it for me, yeah.
And then like tá like na apps headspace, you know, like the shin isodalta like cuig million did it. But like Arish is troke day. They've like done a load of redundancies that daily come off. So there's kind of like these like trends of like how to relax. So what is your poison fwy láthir?
Same as always, a pint and a chat. Honestly,
Yeah.
I love it. Like we set the world at rise. Níl mission vertigo now ages. So honestly, like I would find it so relaxing. I'm sure going to see sheets and just like talk shit. That'd be like, oh my god, like 3 pints talk shit and then Savala Reach. Yeah, unreal.
Yeah.
Do you not just love like I even find that like, you know, the first sit down in the pub, like the first up and you're like, you can feel yourself like
Will you be
relax.
revitalised after it though?
Yeah, you would,
You would
like
be.
yeah. And then
I don't know. I think mine is always going to be some sort of achliocht.
Yeah.
I love the feeling of coming out of like a yoga class or something that I feel I love that afterglow. Few igdol great. I like, you know, we're a year since I started my park running. Like
Yeah.
it's composed actually kind of igdol. I'm rash reach now and I fucking hate every second of a vegre. But then when you're quick now, it's just that like little afterglow for about an hour and you feel so accomplished. You feel great. And then you're like, oh, bring on the rest of the day. She's even on me.
Tá sé feic agam sa honest Hannah, like
Yeah.
it's kind of bhí like kind of mental organised when we were fád le céile go fóla like a hooked clog and you were like on féin brustú like caithim mé dul go wrong
Yeah.
the gym and I was like you're mental like an tainers
Yeah.
yeah. tastal se in glach súla sin is dulháile na cursaí a gúna siar until go brand new on television but you were like gagging le dul an gym you know
Yeah.
so
Oh, 100%. I need to move my body somehow. I love that. It's the only thing afterwards that
Yeah.
like I feel like an afterglow. That or shopping online.
Oh,
But not
really?
shopping, scrolling.
Scrolling.
Scrolling or an online
okay
shopping.
I cur with these Kishon
It's
and then
bra machine. Like vestiaire collectible, I'll scroll for hours and I'll fill up my Kishon.
Yeah.
And I'll just be like, oh, I love a little,
agus cé cumannic go gearín tí ligint
I'm actually, well, good minute, I suppose. I'm not even going to lie about it.
what did your
Oh,
journey
I'm good,
that
Kayla.
was,
Yeah,
that
yeah.
answer
Do
was
you know what I actually bought? Oh,
I like that cohort, yeah.
thank you. Well,
Yeah.
this was good to ask, but no, not this. Erlina, this is I bought firsthand. I bought these Citizens of Humanity jeans, secondhand, Darlova. They're coming from Sweden. And I mean, they're a really funny, unusual, big barrel shape, but I hope I love them. But I got a really good deal because Toshi, like, they're like a popular brand or a popular, like, style in this brand that costs like 3k euro. They're going,
Yeah.
God, for that, a coup euro.
Oh, good
Yeah.
ass. Good ass.
Now it says good quality. Not excellent, but I hope that doesn't mean they're rotten.
I'm sure my shit
No.
Yeah.
Tá mé se chun mulchanna lasú beganin. It doesn't strictly have to be like in the pub having a pint, even though shin probably in Canis Hanavi, but like also just see she's a go upon Taylor the Nagan. Human
Yeah.
connection. I really need human
Yeah.
connection.
Gas.
Yeah, I need that.
Why?
Yeah.
What do you need?
I just need a
Nothing.
screen. I need a screen
Yeah.
and I need 7 to 8 women in their 40s screaming at each other.
You need alone time.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but also
Yeah.
reality TV.
Yes,
yeah,
okay.
yeah. But yeah, no, like but to Shin Kogas, like you are so ochliocht, you're so like human connection, like
Yeah.
and I'm like, no one talk to me. I'm gonna lie
Yeah.
down and get cozy and watch TV in my ain or like.
Funny, isn't it?
Yeah, isn't it?
Yeah, that is. But Tasha Shin kind of grand or even I'm just thinking of like how we figure things out, right? You're really gama, you know, you kind of will figure things out at the counter. Like I, as we know, need to talk things through Ladina and be like, how should I feel? You know, trying to get better at. And then
I just need to be in the right zone, and I
Yeah.
need to make sure I've put myself in that zone by doing something else.
it's just funny, isn't it?
Yeah, co-washed up.
yeah.
But like I said, like whatever fills up your cup.
Your
Cup on,
you know?
yeah.
Yeah.
So Mar Erinig, I think Mar here, we're kind of known internationally for our pastimes, for our
Yes.
hobbies. Like Tha, you know, like Kjol, sport, Scaliocht, Aline,
Ol.
Exactly. You know, like so I think Mar Náisiún, I think we're pretty good.
Yeah.
Oh, have ski elegant.
Yeah,
Yeah.
We're
Yeah,
renowned.
yeah.
You could say.
There you
Internationally
go.
renowned for being the most chilled out.
There you go.
I
and good
don't
crack.
know if we are though. Because do we say that we're chilled out and we go drinking pints? Like I think we're up to Haido as well as a nation in
Yeah.
Ireland. You know, and we allow our sports to rile us, and we really go for things, don't we? We're not in.
Yeah, but like an rud tárágam ná like these a gachar tá liste gom an shin like titan sheet faoin gasagor cahabhaimsre. Like
Yeah,
titan,
like we're good
Yeah.
pastimers.
you know.
Yeah.
That's not
exactly.
necessarily relaxing though, is it? Do you know what I mean? Like, let me tell you, there's nothing more stressful than a fucking Munster final or like an All-Ireland semi-final. For a spectator, let alone the players. I don't
Yeah.
know.
No, but I suppose Nismo mar cahabhaimsre is the word
cahabhaimsre.
here.
Yeah,
not
yeah,
semi-professional, should be professional.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, tá ceart go. Yeah, I hear what you're saying. Like recreational activities, like tá galore the shindle right. So beidir dírtha eile, you know, cosúla sin armán nuair dégin beidir na full include céanna lads chun, you know, sail a bheithe co teh mud and sail libre.
Yeah.
So tá galore ruddy go bheith fi bheithe inamh in air. I just don't know cécho, you know, na cahabhaimsrí sin ar fad, not exactly relaxing. Like in Sweden, they're doing saunas and all this crap.
Exactly,
like,
yeah.
and like
We're
in,
drinking
in
20
airing
pints and
Tommy,
watching
yeah,
a
we're drinking
stressful
20
match
pints
to give
or
you a heart
yeah, or like you're Ruddy Marshin. So I don't know, or like getting depressed and singing songs and you know, like Ruddy Marshin, like.
Okay, so ní anything to do.
So no, A&T tá like sail on the law and the going, but just better like, you know, I just don't think we'll culture ma relaxing a going and better go down and chair and ask you on Gertha Moore.
Yeah.
Classic K-pop. Okay, call an Oscar or show.
Well, it's stocha because you know, on trauma shin gur former ar fad, you know,
Yeah.
mermy into
I
gubber.
can see the cogs
Yeah,
turning.
mermy into gubber nu is sehrú and tamer fad, you know, gach sean school boil bosh and
I actually think we'll take a hamlan cart because like if you're thinking of how our parents would relax.
Yeah.
I think like I couldn't imagine my parents being like Ralph on a spa day.
Oh,
Do you know
yeah.
what I mean?
And they're like, get up out of that, you lazy article. Go and
I
do
know.
something.
No,
you
it'd be
know,
like
you know.
Neil and Mion Shinnaco. We're probably Egdol if Yaus, our generation.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Ireland.
definitely. Yeah, agus tá ceiscom again Tomlin faoi kind of start in an area. Can I just say that I came from a very relaxation heavy focused household.
Yeah, I love that for you. Though.
Yeah,
That's
that
a
is
great
amazing.
skill.
Yeah, we're
That's a
very
really good skill.
Bum on the sofa.
Do you know what's
Yeah.
gas? We were so opposite because even our modern Vicarilum just dog she WhatsApp and she was like, Louise, she was like, I'm laughing at you now because she's like, you know how we become our mothers, right?
Yeah.
And she was like, I remember Fosnius, my mother would also always say about your mother, jeez, I don't know where that woman gets her energy. And she's like, I literally found myself ag fágáil tachtak enough, and I was literally thinking the exact same thing about you. I'm like, I don't know
Yeah.
where you get your energy. So I
Yeah.
suppose Branche and Shlean will, you know,
Yeah.
and Shlean and
And
me
Tógan
and
to bhí
yeah,
go.
and Tógan to bhí go, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Gas.
I like a town scale and Arctic, like if you know my cantu number amas a labwig or anything like that, like my father'd be out with a fiddle at the bottom of the stairs, you know, playing so that you couldn't stay
I know.
in bed, like
Agus with the
so
Aigor,
passive.
like.
Yeah, no, like even Stefidi, if you came home
Yeah.
like it's
Yeah.
clean him like Tachtavalo and Galosh or whatever, like Joe and like being on the piss if I cry and just like being in bed. I can't sleep in now, cho father shin, but like Joe in those days,
Yeah.
colour shackety man lay no hand chlog like if I was really hungover, be like Shasavik bun and sire just playing the fiddle, like just because you'd be like, fuck
Yeah.
off, leave me alone, like
Yeah.
my Gary colour, and just
Sorry,
so
our
sad about
house
that.
were so like this. I have this famous story that when I was teaching at home, I lived at home in Limnock for 1 year when I taught, right? And I remember coming home from school one day and you'd be fucking wrecked as a teacher. So you'd go for a nap after school. I'd be exhausted.
Yeah.
Into the bed anyway, close the curtains. And anyway, Mom had come in later than me. My bedroom was the front of the house. And if she did, she came in anyway into the room. I was in bed, right? She's like, open up those curtains at
I
5 in the
know,
evening
yeah.
for fear the neighbours think
I know,
anyone's
oh my
inside
God,
in the
yeah.
bed.
Stop.
And I
Yeah.
was like, Mom, I'm actually leaving this house. I'm moving out.
So, Kesh then, Díobse, for our hypothetical future children, Mas Shiv and Miok Shiv Marangena, like, would you bring it forward? Would you want to be the
Is Soil
same or the
amháin?
fosty?
Yeah, no, I don't think I actually think ngurtoch she me far ardina vel like leshgul timplati.
Oh my, but like, that's
Seriously.
ridiculous. It's
But
all
I
you
know.
wanted to do.
Yeah.
I know,
I know.
totally.
It's
And
not
it's a
leishgul.
big,
It's
a
not
really
leishgul,
big
yeah.
problem for like, you know, I really need to do that. But yeah, no.
You do, like, you need it.
Yeah,
Agus
Kate
Dagori,
Yeah.
agus see the fast and earda, like, it's an
Kate
town
Kate.
is tall with you the hail,
Yeah.
le culla all shock us
Yeah.
to the newborn.
Yeah.
So, like, thought I actually, like, to
Real
care
stuff.
to Fodok Salaba. But
Yeah, yeah, no,
anyway,
it's
so I
not-
can't wait to see you down at the bottom of the stairs playing the fiddle for your kids.
I know.
Get
But you
down
know
the
me,
stairs.
I'd honestly like no
Young
rule enforcer,
Fionn.
I'd be like whatever.
Din
whatever the
Deffer.
fuck you want,
Yeah.
like, yeah.
Yeah.
Anyway, Baila Fecal.
Yeah.
Okay, I have the top 10 most popular hobbies and activities in Ireland as of Fife Cahar now.
Love,
Okay.
okay.
So McGeary gan eniship Bulla Fui Horum air. Now, I think they've gone more like pastimes and
Okay.
hobbies and activities.
Okay.
Not like Bradyware Telefish.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
So
okay.
hobbies and activities is the
Sport
title.
anyway.
Okay, so tatu raw sport, yeah? Yeah, sports and fitness is Iver and knee.
Okay.
Really?
And is hiking under that, or is hiking its own thing?
Sorry, ever hooked. Neil hiking out, but outdoor activities are ever shocked.
Yeah, because
Outdoor
hiking was having a real
Moment,
there,
yeah.
Fanel.
Man Van Ros.
Yeah,
She does
for
all that.
Yes, I know.
Okay. Paint and prosecco. That was a real fucking one everybody's had. Do you know our fight tunnel there
I
now?
did it.
I mean,
I'm not
it
gonna
could
lie.
be DIY arts and crafts. That's ever a hain dig.
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
Well, not in the remit of
Oh, agus ihe.
No, so Neil Owl knew ihe acu and seo. I just don't think that they included it. I don't know.
Okay.
Yeah.
Pastimes.
pastimes.
Ain't no
Right,
della vín should have come on.
Okay.
oh, sorry, we said that, Jim. Going to matches.
That's
That's
is
sports
that
come
in
on.
it?
and
Okay,
fitness.
sorry.
Going to the cinema. Like Dolig and Brickton.
Going to gigs.
Cool.
yeah, so making music is actually our one on list there, fad.
Oh wow.
Yeah, making music.
That's the ad
you
now.
go.
Yeah,
There's Kev,
yeah.
Aaron Fiddle.
Which is, I don't know, ever like a shade egg newer they
Okay, what about so in Pictor Lane, on Arc Lane, any of these, no? Are we cultured enough?
Go for coffee.
Neil should
No.
your list there. Okay, and Torme list Steve.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So Iverhain is a tastel.
Oh.
Yes.
Shane O'Rourke. Fucking-
Actually.
They saw my
Travel-
Instagram and they
yeah,
said,
you're gonna have a rebrand. She's gonna be a travel blogger
Oh
now.
my
right?
God. How did none of us
planning my
say
day.
Aileen
that?
Fitzmaurice, watch out. Okay, I'm coming for your bag. 5 places to eat in Vietnam.
Yes. Oh my
Sorry,
god.
how did none of us say that as the best way to relax? Travel
Travel,
is
yeah.
a brilliant way. Get the fuck
Absolutely
out
get out.
of all the shit that's
Yeah,
going on.
I just
in the
feel
head.
like Tasha are people in the Tira,
Yes,
like,
Yeah.
you know,
yes,
I know.
go where Sira.
Yeah.
Oh my
It's
God, I
sus.
take back the
Oh,
gym.
yeah.
Sira.
I know, it's on sus, like it's sus
Yeah.
on gná law.
Yes.
It's a break from life.
Yeah.
Okay, if we're though wearing lista, lay horocht.
Sorry, yeah, of
Yeah,
course.
come on now.
Of course,
Lay
yeah.
me-
No, Shishin.
Ocht flower agus may
Wow.
Sira.
Wow.
Yeah. Some
Calaban
good, some
County
not.
Fard.
Oh, on Count far. Oh Jesus. Bitter. Let me count Sally Rooney. You should sing
Oh,
them
yeah,
all.
Intermezzo,
Yeah,
yeah.
Intermezzo was
Yeah.
good. Let me count John Boyne. Actually, Nar Hattenlum. And normally I'm a
Oh,
huge
really?
fan of John
Yes.
Boyne. Ní cuiim na cín allergies. It feels
Okay,
like fucking
fair
ages
enough.
ago. But check
Yeah.
Ivertree is Coke new Balkall.
Oh, I actually meant to say that too.
Yeah, you love that.
Yeah, I know, I do.
That would
Not so much a
stress
hit
me
of- I
out.
used to
If we're
love it.
Cahar Louis Cantillon, it's shopping.
You.
This is really, really
Perfect.
stupid. Like, what is wrong with us? We didn't get
Yeah,
any.
I know,
like,
I know, yeah.
Yeah.
If we're Kuig is so Shialoo.
Okay, yeah.
If we're Shay is pets. Just
Sorry,
yeah.
I can
Yeah.
advocate for that.
Yeah.
You know, Shin quid fada more relaxing is just like lying on the couch with my dogs and
or
letting them
walking
like
your dog.
does,
yeah,
yeah.
walking my dogs, and well, that's not so much relaxing as like a need for them, but it's brought them like Lear and couch and just let them give me affection.
Love. Yeah, thanks, good
Oh yeah, okay.
Yeah, I need that.
That fills your cup. Outdoor activities, doing sports and fitness, gardening and plants,
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
DIY arts and crafts, video gaming. Need thumbs up, but the right thing.
no.
Cars/vehicles.
I'd say in Aaron, I can get that. Yeah.
Yeah, you boy
Yeah, the
racers,
boy racers,
tractors,
yeah.
fucking now tractor run now. Can't beat it,
My
yeah.
dad loves
Cats.
to be out fiddling with the cars.
Oh
and
yeah.
He's all these into vintage cars. So it's
That's
actually a really
gas.
big
Like
thing.
Sarah,
Yeah.
they look like Lahore, like Sarah Gush, and instead of
Yeah.
being like, I'm going to sit down and watch the latest episodes, and they're like, I'm going to go tinker with my car.
I'm
Yeah.
literally going to go out and
Change
yeah,
the oil,
have a look at the
have a-
engine there, and
Yeah,
I'm
have
like,
a
what are you
look at
looking
polish
Oh,
your
I'm
eyes.
so
Yeah.
relaxed now.
Yeah,
like, you know.
gas.
Tech/computers, board games, card games, meditation and wellness, photography, scríbhneoireacht agus ag sinam ceol.
Ah,
Shreve North, lovely.
Yeah, Screw North's really good ass. Like also photography through the margin, I suppose. Yeah, being gacht in a year,
Brand here and
pics
then,
a
yeah,
Hogan. Yeah.
yeah. Vibey pics, that would stress me.
Oh really?
But yeah.
Well,
Do you know,
black
like,
and
if
white,
you-
yeah, I don't feel taking pictures is relaxing.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Okay.
Well,
No.
it's not a
Good
yenaf
sport.
though, kind of raw like.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's refreshing.
Okay, and then to make your Laird Fui, Mass Shiv, well, Nís Mo, nu Nís Lou, Sarah Guninish, Na Maravi, in Erin Cade, Blino hin.
Oh, Nís Lou.
Nís Lou.
Mass Thu,
Nís
Yeah.
Lou, yeah.
came far.
Because I think we're flat mad on time or fad. I think she right you got. What did you call that at the very top of the episode there? You said about the phones, that new word, stress axing.
Stress laxing.
Stress laxing.
Very important, don't forget that
Sorry,
word.
come let's go.
You'll be using it for the
Stress
rest of your
laxing.
life.
I think the reason that words like that are even becoming popularized is because we don't know what it's like to not be at something. You know,
Yeah.
I think without the phones, you know, God be with the time where maybe you to write someone a letter to stay in contact with them.
Yeah.
Now it's as quick as a text. Oh, I'll meet you here. Every WhatsApp group is popping off. How many of us have failures that are booked up until
Yeah.
how many
Yeah.
months? I'm meeting these girls on Saturday. And you know, which it has its pros and cons, but I definitely think we don't take as much Sarah as maybe Kate being when they would have just I don't know.
Yeah, for example, to Mrs. Siar and couch Louise, and that phone has gone off every fucking.
You can hear it vibrating.
Yeah, I can hear it vibrating, and every time because I'm a phone,
maybe that's not my phone.
And I'm like, is it me? Is it me? Is it me? But it's
She
not.
started
I'm farting.
foreplay early today. She's farting.
I'm doing silent farts here, and I'm a little vibrate every.
Little
No, sorry, that's
vibrate.
disgusting. Girls don't fart.
Oh my God, we
I've
have
never
on
farted.
video.
How do you feel? No, we
About
had
farting?
this conversation with Hannah Hain. I can't take it at all. I'll hide
Farts?
it. Yeah, yeah.
No,
You'll suck it in.
I'm,
Yeah.
I'm a liberal lady when
You-
it comes to farts.
Yeah,
I'm an
CC Oliver.
advocate. I'm an
I know, but
advocate.
I've never.
Yeah.
Having said that, I spend a ridiculous amount of time with you, and I have never really heard you fart. You know what I mean?
Well, like, I'm not as, like, I'm not an
Farty.
advocate that I'm going to, like, you know, start a campaign of, like, we should do it in front of our...
yeah.
It's a, yeah.
There's one coming.
I can
Shh,
start-
shh. Come on, are you
I
listening?
can start the campaign like an ish, like
Yeah.
in.
Yeah.
Sorry, add to the ins of 2025, farting.
No.
Farting is in for 50.
No, I don't know.
Yeah, it's not for me.
But sorry, you've asked me that question like 3 times. For someone who's so
I
against
know, we've
farting, you bring it up
yeah,
a
because,
lot.
because actually it's not it just like it's kind of debilitating how yucked I am by the
Yeah,
whole thing,
I
you
know.
what I mean?
Tacarum come on, and she's
Yeah.
so against burping, and like it's
I
debilitating
don't love
for
a
her.
burp either.
Like
Yeah.
poor leechi guys, like
I
there's
know.
gas in our
but
bodies.
I just think like there's
Yeah.
manners and like protocol around it. Do you know what I mean? Like, I mean, you know what I mean?
The fart police are out. Come here, like.
enact the protocol.
Sorry.
Sorry.
If you were having a fucking disastrous moment, there's nothing in your head that's thinking of protocol. You're like, I need to let my stomach, like, bleh, like whatever.
Yeah, but
if
I
you
would
need
try
to
and run
fart, you need to
out.
fucking fart.
I
like,
would try
do you
and
know
run
what I mean?
out. Of
Where,
Dodge.
like,
I don't know, like
private
I'd leave the
into-
room. Yeah, no, I would. I'd go to the bathroom. And honestly, I think it's an tógan to be gum chama because it'd be really like that is fucking rotten as to take now. Damn road egg or squeal the egg and breathe.
No naps, no farts in the glass.
Yeah, no, I know, regimented guys. Fucking
Honestly,
regimented.
authoritarian.
No, yeah. Fascists. Oh my god. you know.
Anti-farting fascism.
Yeah, in for 2025.
Oh my god.
Yeah,
Listen, if you need an L toot.
No, shut the fuck up. You wouldn't be into this at all.
What? Well, like, I mean, I'm not fucking actively going around farting my arse off. Like, if one was coming.
Brimming, like, yeah. Oh my god, I just.
Louise just said the sentence, farting my ass off.
I've never farted in my life.
No,
I wouldn't know.
It is yuck.
I wouldn't know.
It's so yuck.
No, but you know what?
Jesus Christ, how has gone from relaxing talking about fart to
Because
relaxing?
it's one of my favourite ways to relax.
Science tells us
Watch
a
it
fart
to
a day.
decompress. Yeah, it's active decompressing, you know.
Yeah,
Let me
yeah.
get
I'm
the air.
equalising with the pressure around
Yeah,
me. I
yeah,
scuba
yeah.
dive to this
Feeding
Feeding the
minute.
rads, you know.
Yeah. Sorry, but you know, like, have you never been in a bed with someone where they farted and then whooshed up the duvet and the waft into your face?
No, it's absolutely fucking chronic. Yeah, no, yuck. Or the worst is when you're in bed with someone and you mightn't have known that they did a fart, and then you move around and you get a whiff.
Yeah,
of it.
yeah, yeah,
You're
yeah,
like,
yeah.
oh, totally unexpected. Sometimes
Yeah.
it'll wake you from your sleep. Honestly, it's just
No,
such a-
no.
I don't think I've ever been awoken.
Oh my god, I'd be so yucked out. Like, honestly, look, my radar is up with this. It's like,
Yeah,
you know,
I don't know. But like, for a woman who loves her Guinness, you've never had a Guinness fart?
I don't. I'll have 2 Guinness and then I'll be done. Like,
You're a
do you know
freak
what I mean?
freak of nature.
There you go. What would you be?
Jesus, that was a fine long time talking about
Yeah, I
farts.
know. It's a
I know,
program, guys.
sorry.
That we
Yeah.
really went to toilet
Off
humour
the
there for a
rails.
second.
Sure look.
Farting my ass off is one of my favourite sentences we've ever said, Erin, but Craig Shona Cahavera. And Louise Cantona, no
Clip it,
less. Like,
clip it.
Clip it.
I've never
Oh,
farted.
we
in
marked
my
that one,
life.
Sam. Anyway.
Okay, but for me, Gary, for my leabhar an sin, fui oil níos mó na níos lú againn le scíth ligint inis ná cé bliain I think we're talking about Dermot there now, like the technological advances that have been made, cage bleed hin that allow us more relaxation time. So like,
Yeah.
you know, on machine neocon, the dishwasher,
Yeah.
like sailig an made orinthic like of yukman of kind of over tea and then menial jobs.
Yeah.
No marathon an ish.
Tá sé sin, okay, tá sé sin an céif an géad ach an son like tá ar saoil le bhfad níos farsing in ná mar bhí hana. So like, you know, the need to acquire stuff. You know, our needs were a lot less cé bliain ó hin.
I also don't be doing upper tea, so I don't really.
Yeah.
Yeah, because your washing machine does it for you.
Yeah.
But monorev machine neocon agat.
Yeah. I don't have a dishwasher though. Flex. I wash my Mario's.
She does in fairness.
I do. Like,
Yeah, you do, flex. That's why she eats out so much, because she doesn't want to fucking clean the dishes.
That's why I just don't eat. I
love
eat
to know
chips
that,
and tuna
like-
because I'm like, I don't want to wash this plate.
Yeah.
You know, there's nothing more soul destroying
Savvy housewife.
than having to fucking wash
Martha
an eggy
Stewart.
pan.
Yeah, Martha
No,
An
I'm
eggy
sorry.
pan,
Can
yeah.
we please hand washing after a scrambled egg? I
Yeah.
nearly fucking
that-
fuck
yeah.
out the pan and buy another one.
I know. Do you know what? I know. Late stage
can't.
capitalism in its finest.
Yeah.
Of course.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
But rud a bhí mé ag léimh lína an láfu ar ná. So Sulla Rev, before the light bulb was invented.
Oh.
On Vacatú Shaw,
Go
before
on.
the light bulb was invented, we would sleep 14 hours a night. Because
Stunning.
think about it. We were restricted to daylight hours
yeah.
only.
Oh my God.
So, like, really, ach go hoir a game should have been. I know them with a gonia glare
Yeah.
free, gone clee, or not gone clee, but like, knock will she yarú, knock on gna, ailer thog on an ish. That was made by a man also.
Yeah.
It was Julius Caesar, and then it was reformed by Pope Gregory.
I actually saw this with Jenny Choma, yeah.
Yeah.
Mm.
So, don't have order fear.
But do you know what's amazing is your body, when I swear to God, I've been trying to not use an alarm. When you give your body time to sleep and wake itself, it actually, that feeling of waking up is so glorious because you're like waking up not tired.
I know your circadian rhythm is a
Yeah.
rash.
Girls were so
Shin
full
Rods.
of shit this time of year, like easy knowing the nights are long and the mornings are dark. Like I mean, come back to us now again, Trevi,
I
and we'll be like,
know.
oh, you know,
I know.
back to
I know.
business will resume to usual.
Yeah,
you know.
we'll be back to talking bad about ourselves and farting. In the
Yeah,
night.
farting and like hungover and late nights and all that.
We're,
Anyway, sure, look,
we're at our best in me, Yanner, not well.
absolutely.
And can we
yeah.
hold it? Can we hold space? Can we hold these people for as long as they'll...
Yeah, we've got about 3 weeks left in us.
Yeah,
Colleen,
but let
till
me
we go
have
on
it.
tour
Oh,
and
yeah,
the wheels
yeah.
come off. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so do we know how to relax in it?
No.
No, but tá spreagtha le dul relaxing. So
Come
I'll report
on.
back in tachtan schuing now and let you know how I
Let
get
the
on
whole,
with my relaxing.
I mean, Obervalia noshki ligint.
Yeah.
Shin killing a das more.
Yeah,
Oh.
tá mé chun dul chuile go luath enough I might watch something in bed.
That's
Yeah.
the hauling.
Mullum the traitors.
Yes.
Oh, we'll take them
God,
off.
I'm
You'll check
fucking
out on the phone.
obsessed.
Okay, I'm going to start watching The
Yeah.
Traitors tonight.
Obsessed,
Do you
yeah.
tell me what? Yeah, you can tell me
Yeah,
what
television.
anyway. Okay.
Go hauling.
Okay, Araglin, good Gael gore, na shock that.
Oh, okay.
One count, I got Louise.
So,
on,
go
you
with
go.
me on this now, guys.
Okay.
I have picked a Gael gore tochen spoideach on tachtan seo, but I am ag brunna on tedal seo fully on entertainment value.
Sure.
This Gael gore na seachtaine, this dinner has entertained the
Hold on, hold
nation
on.
and further afield.
Nomination.
Yes.
You're thought to get Amnu dinner. You're not giving them Gael gore na shock.
Okay. Let me build them up. This nominee has entertained the nation, an international audience, and do you know what has given so much joy, conversation starter, and gasness to a situation. And I send them love and light, but I am going to nominate them as Gael gore na seachtaine, the GAA catfish.
Yes.
I'm sorry.
Oh my God. The GAA.
Okay,
cat.
here's
The
some-
woman
here's some
herself.
Car out of Shinadol. Okay.
Can I just say,
Yeah.
okay, like whatever, do I agree with anything they've done? Absolutely not. But have they entertained?
No, I agree.
nation.
Hooked.
The nation,
Hooked.
the nation is
Hooked.
gripped.
Oh,
Gripped.
amazing.
And international news.
Yeah.
It's viral. Number one. Shout out the Johnnies, lads. They're the most listened to podcast in Ireland and the UK.
She's united.
Yeah.
Ireland.
I'm floored
Oh my God.
by. So I'm going to also say
will come like this.
the GA catfish must be a woman who doesn't fucking know how to relax, because I am in awe of their organisation skills.
Yeah.
Their ability to fucking run. I can't manage one WhatsApp fucking
I know.
kuntis, let
Dylan works
alone.
hard, but the GAA
Catfish
catfish
works
works harder.
harder. Sinead.
And I just think for entertainment value alone, it was an 11 out of 10.
Agree. And John, I actually come here rash station I 1 and 2 reach, and like I'm enjoying all the TikToks and just like I lave and ruddy Arlena. It's just a gift that keeps on giving.
Yeah, well, it's one of these communal experiences, you know,
Yes.
like that would go with their father. The monoculture, you know, go gach like Lara fui,
Yes.
they crow over fui, and it really has brought us all together.
yeah.
Obviously, though, and sending like strength and love and light to people affected, it is a shit situation if you're directly
shocking.
affected.
And actually, really, Tomwid ag tuillte showed that the two Johnnies, Níos Móna, Inodella, as an scéaliocht,
Yes.
agus,
Yeah.
you know,
Yes.
us
Yeah.
a bheith co-
well, it's the fake character. Like I'm giving this to
Aoife Kennedy.
well, actually, in my DMs, I had Cora O'Donovan back in the day.
Yeah,
I did way back in Óvílas a Shade, Seachtaigh or whatever. So she's been around Vode le blianta.
Do you know what? Look, you know, people think that you just explode on the scene, but it's years of the silent work that nobody sees, right? Years of grafting, years of knocking
Honestly.
at the door, and then finally you're a
So
big
rather
break
than a
game.
person, can I actually nominate the story?
Okay.
Yeah.
Situation and
Yes.
scale.
Yeah.
Scale and GA catfish.
Although cool me níos luha knew that you were you were on the suspects list.
Yeah,
for
yeah,
Family.
Sorry,
too.
said our banish store, who's the same banish store as the two Johnnies. But girls, like,
He said she was on the list.
that's the
for
only reason.
ages.
Do you know
Right,
that's the
I
only
know,
reason
fucking-
I got with Declan?
Oh yeah. Catfish.
I've been catfishing from years. He doesn't even know my real name.
But you know, there's a gas on GA Catfish. That Owen Quigg in it. You know, Owen Quigg on X Factor. He's now making reels, being like, I was like the original. Like on
Yeah.
the Air X Factor, Rita and Dinna Shaw
An
catfishing
OG.
air.
Jeez, good man. Oh, and he's getting a fucking second act now.
Now?
Thanks to the GA catfish.
But you know what?
I
Like
know.
I don't know. I feel like I have changed personalities. Like Bader fui. Cuig nu fui sé, oh down grow mishaganishin, and like
Yeah.
this person has stayed consistent.
I
Like,
know.
Fair play to her.
Do you know what? Like,
not fair play to her.
not fair play to her, but like, I mean, she knew she wanted a GA player, but like, girl, if you're gonna put that much work in, at least, like, I'd be picking a professional. I'd be like, where's the golfer? Where are the golfers at?
Yeah, I know. But look,
Yeah.
we've spoken
know?
about it before. The appeal of
Yeah, I know. The Laker Gael.
yeah.
Sinead Gadiric.
Anyway.
Well,
Jesus Jacker dul sus naig shin hí ar de screamer she sanam ní suhan tá aglam go mechan I rami cheart she so
list is episode.
yes because Adam Sula Durning Lock on I understand the fucking plight of having your name mispronounced in time or fad. What a fucking boss bitch I Hainux and Four
Drahar.
Gumnashgale and Drahar representing Ireland their fucking class.
Yeah.
Yeah, so the shisha could have gladiators agus the session that on Drahar ag or sorry gimmert pele go idir náisiúnta.
Yeah.
Deadly.
Agus as can core is corhig dóf. Up look
Listen.
Orman.
Up look Gorman up the yellow bellies.
Agus mo amnica na Irishore dar vanam Rebecca Shaw. So you might have seen her headline in the Guardian and Shocked and Shaw. It said,
Yes.
I knew one day I'd have to watch powerful men burn the world down. I just didn't expect them to be such losers.
Yeah,
And
they
Greengraph
are.
to Mark Zuckerberg.
Amazing. No,
Fair
that
play
was
to her.
amazing.
Yeah.
So Shin and Tror tá amna the Gael gonna shock na K-Road over. We got to give it to
GA catfish.
yeah.
Unite,
But,
unite
the story.
The scale,
not the
yeah.
person.
I know.
Yeah.
Just more moment in time.
Yeah.
Honest to God.
Absolutely, like
It's wild.
Sorry, it was going to be our Netflix.
Yeah.
That's crazy. Sorry, spoiler.
I
alert,
hope go
hey,
meg
shut
sé
that.
agus amach I think they're fanacht. I haven't the Johnny said that they're not going to sign anything or go ahead. Mona will on catfish I féin sásta.
Yeah.
Ashgale inchant. And she should.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I know. Law bra agent, like kind of broad day, you know.
Cool the broad day.
Now, Orla, our Gallionaire man who Shield is going to have a fucking right job now putting this on the graphic.
I know. Well,
The
I mean,
story, not the
this-
person.
Yeah, scale because actually that is one rud tá Irid Pictori Mehemacher and the man who Shield, which is like you kind of like it's era hilarious. Like they've someone fucking anyway. Who knows? It's all allegedly, and who knows?
Yeah,
Exactly.
Yeah,
Yeah,
exactly. Neil Fissigania, Kay Gadirktain.
Okay.
Okay, Bugarai Gadi. Gluish na seachtainna. So the Michigan tosnú le rudí soch éisce ach a bhhain le haver an léinú ná scíth ligint agus suamhnas.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, new fuishov is actually
Yeah.
better.
Yeah.
I think when your cup is full, shin on rud,
yes.
wahín stú not
Yeah.
fuishov.
Yeah. I actually really feel.
Time
now-
she can go on say.
I was gonna say it's my jet lagged. Like obviously flew across the night. So my priority now in Tachan Shaw is fuishiv a hurt them
Yes,
No,
Jane
there you
Shin. I'm gonna cur sus lesh.
Yes.
SOS. You can use your emoji. Tug sus. Sus.
sus.
I love it.
Lots
Sus.
of- Yeah.
There you go.
Sus. Yeah.
Biog.
We had Moonthor Bunscully lads. He was a fucking gas man. Master McGrath. I've outed him now.
Shout
No,
out.
what your scale is? He's definitely not listening. But he was so gas. He used to have. Do you remember Ace of Bunscull? You'd have your loan, your small lunch,
Yeah.
and big lunch,
Yeah.
and then you'd be a dollar like a 3 o'clock.
Sure.
Between big lunch and a 3 o'clock, he used to have like another sus biog, right? Where he'd just like ring the bell and be like, "Go on out there now for a sus biog," and it was stunning. He'd send us out for about a hour, and then you'd come in, and for the last hour, the last puck of the game, then would be us listening to him play the accordion. Do you know what?
Nothing but respect.
In
A
another
sus
life.
biog,
In another
Master
life.
McGrath. A
Master
sus
McGrath.
biog in the Trodona and a few tunes on the Melodeon.
Fucking listen.
Recommend.
That's my kind of. I never left school. I would have never left.
You'd have loved him.
Unreal. Briminnig is farting or scuile bream.
Yeah, Burke, in our dig of fast and níos glamour like os bear like glamour brums who right
Brums,
yeah.
but glacham leis go dagan sé an ghilga like a scuile bream.
I don't know.
yeah.
Yeah, said my real brum.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, I have to say, but Briminnig knew. Yeah, scuile bream, and I'd say they'd probably say like brime a gunamara or something. I don't know.
Yeah.
And then caddy everything. Maha took a shaskarach, to do kind of like relaxed, like like sheer and sung a shaskarach or whatever. Actually, vi me Carol Louise McSherry and talking to Catty she screeve column Meall like cadach léoch mead an notion de hygge or
Húga.
that mech sé going an airing. So I was kind of over and back. She's like, what would you say? And I was like, actually, I'd say better nadig. Like if I had nadu. Because, you know,
Yes.
I kind of líon sé leis an notion sin go mí me dul le ruhí kind of an nod or
sin go
and
das.
then yeah, there you go. So
Not
that's-
a bad.
And then on Gaelga catfishing. A cúil sibh riomh.
No.
On clúin íorúil a curr gona agant.
Cluan
Wow.
íorúil.
Clúin íorúil. So clúin is like deceit or to deceive, and then íorúil is virtual. So you're virtually deceiving
them.
someone. So
Yeah.
on clúin
Ah.
íorúil a curr gona agant.
Anna.
Cool. Very good. I like
Fair
it.
play.
Yeah,
No.
but catfishing is
Please
a
God,
mock.
we
The
never
fair
need
cúig.
No,
Please,
they
yeah,
I
out
couldn't
for
brag
fair
by
cúig,
Yeah, out
catfishing.
for fair cúig. Yeah,
Yeah.
on clúin íorúil a curr gona agant.
Also out, like, sorry, I'm gonna say her again now.
Go on.
It's kind of shocking, like, but like bit of self-awareness. This woman, the alleged catfish.
Yeah.
Oh my God, dehasta, like, you know, model material. Like, now there's very few men in the GAA who would be like in the same
Careful.
realm of hotness.
Careful. Excuse me.
Yeah, well, obviously,
Same
like,
realm as hotness as who?
obviously not including Declan Hannon. Like,
Oh, sorry,
obviously
you're
not
talking about the
including-
girls she chose to.
yeah,
impress-
like
yeah.
she, like fucking like Victoria's Secret models, like
Yeah.
unbelievable. And then like you've got these like lads up and down the country, like, come on, like, do you know what I mean?
But I think Shin and Coosh gur cred an Irichin Dini
Yeah,
because they
no.
wanted
Yes,
They
to
wanted
believe
Of course.
that someone like
I
that
know, but a
wanted
bit
someone
of
like that.
self-awareness, like, you know, in for 2025, bit of self-awareness. you
Okay,
know?
now, so
It's the kind of
Neil
mean,
McGrew, I think we're going down a voter that would get us
Same.
a dribble out.
Okay,
so shocking
we'll
over.
cut that.
And I actually think that for the most part, GA girlfriends and wives are fucking rides.
Oh, they are,
that
but like,
never fart and
Yeah.
are just really hot. Okay.
Oh, yeah, no, I'm somehow going to make the clip say that you do fart your
No.
ass off, and it's
yeah,
going to be
yeah,
beautiful.
AI, yeah.
Bitches, I'm
Yeah,
glad that
deep
you're.
planned, deep planned, yeah. Okay,
Yeah, sinna méid ná déanaí armid muid lena turna man hóisialta agus ticédí ceannach agus tá bud just bust a bheith arás agus na féfé chuig fucking
Yeah.
ómór.
You.
Okay, go dtíon teach tugan.
Slán.